Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we have our new dog with us.
He's 1 month and like 2 weeks, I don't know, but
And his name is Bruce. So his mom was a mix of a pit bull and a husky,
and his dad was a German Shepherd.
and then he has like one eye that's blue and one eye that's like gray. It's super cute. Hello. And we got him for how much dollars? I don't know.
1,000 something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, he had another brother that was black, I think, and the rest of them were white. So we decided to get the other black one.
He's sleeping right now, but
He always sleeps. He's a very hyper dog, but he sleeps.
yeah, he sleeps
a
for
lot.
a lot.
A lot.
Yes.
Because he's only a baby. There you go. So we're gonna make another video, and then while he's
outside.
outside, and we're gonna play with him.